Oh yes. Welcome po sa aking bahay. So ayan, pasok na po tayo sa aking mansyon. Of course. Ay, hindi pala mansion ko. Nandito pala ang amo ko, si Doña Amparo.
In July 2016, circa 1900 Casa Dos was opened, the ancestral house of the Jereza family located just across Casa No. Circa 1900 Casa Dos includes Cicada, a tapas bar featuring alfresco casual dining.
The place, is it?
How do I find the place? Actually, very easy.
Yes.
Yes. By taxi. Look at that food, my God.
Is it lovely?
Diba?
In their menu, they have a mix of Filipino, Italian, Mexican cuisine, and many more. The price range of their food is between 195 and 695 pesos.
Because we worked so hard, our hard-earned money deserves
Hard-earned food.
hard-earned money deserves delicious food, okay?
Because food is essential, as you know.
Very essential.
Yeah. Oh, diba?
Kain na ta!
Caesar salad for 295 pesos.
Caesar salad, okay.
This is a Caesar salad. Of
Why
course,
is it
because
called Caesar salad?
I think ginawa to ni Caesar. Nag-invite siya. Nag-invent siya ng ano salad.
Wow,
So,
okay.
I think lang ha, hindi ko alam kasi hindi naman ako nabuhay pa ng panahon na yon.
Ganun pa?
Sige na, para healthy, let's eat
Sige.
salad.
Wow.
What is it?
Okay. The vegetable is crunchy. Yeah, it's like fresh from the garden.
Which garden?
The Garden of Eden. And the sauce. I don't know the sauce. Does it have mayonnaise or something? A bit sour siya. It must have been the mayonnaise for the egg.
Yummy no. Yummy no.
In fairness. Parang mismo the salad is already the food.
Huh?
I can really have a diet. Diba? Morning until night time, ito lang. Green salad. Fresh na fresh.
O saan siya ng mga strips? Ano siya ng mga strips?
Bacon.
I think okay lang magamay nga bacon, tapos may bread gamay.
In fairness.
Ako mo,
Pan-fried chicken schnitzel for 295 pesos.
let's try to eat chicken schnitzel. This is my favorite. My first time to eat this last December.
Why is it your... Wow, oh my God.
I think this is just very nice ang pagka-fried niya. And I think it's just
Again, how do you say that?
schnitzel.
Schnitzel. Can you please spell schnitzel?
Fried na lang.
Schnitzel is fried.
Fried na lang. Oh, fried na siya, oh.
Ganun ba? Wow, my part. Look at schnitzel. Kaya may fried na lang siya, diba?
Let's try if it's nice, ha?
Okay, diba?
Perfect.
Why is it? How is it perfect? Describe in one word.
One word is not enough to describe this food.
Okay, describe in 1,000 words then.
Okay, never mind na lang.
Diba?
What do you think?
Oh, it's good. I don't know. Tomato. Food pa lang. Tomato something.
Nagibot ang tomato siguro.
I think it is, or with the calamansi. Oh my God. The chicken schnitzel is soft. Tender on the inside, loving on the outside. Tender, loving,
Caring.
chicken. Pero, in fairness,
Told you.
sarap pala ang mga pagkain ng mga mayayaman, oh. My God.
Mayaman ka na.
Mayaman na pala ako, di ko alam. And, I'm sure this is not called fries. Ano tawag dito? Wedges. Or
What? Ano?
wedges.
Eh, sinusuot pala ito?
Ha?
Sinusuot pala ito?
Oo, sa paa. Wedges. Before magsuot ka ng sapatos, magsuot ka muna ng wedges. I like this.
Creamy mushroom beef stroganoff for 395 pesos.
Pasta. Ay, my God, nagkalat ka pa, ate.
This is the cream white sauce.
Mushroom. May mushroom siya. How was it?
Wala na siya sudantay.
Oh, ito, pasta. May mushroom,
May mga
beef, and sauce. I think this is cream beef mushroom stroganoff.
Expect na ko white. Ba't parang brown?
Hmm? I think that's how stroganoff should look.
Because of the beef?
No, because of the basil.
Huh? Dahil bakit kasalanan ng basil, Day? Anong kasalanan ng basil, Day?
Ha? Masyado kasi dyan paka-almera kayo ng brown ng stroganoff. Ano? Hindi ako marunong mag-eat ng pasta.
Wala respect na mauna ang kuwan, ang ihang spaghetti, yung pasta nga.
Flat.
Oo.
Pero ito na yung, ito na, I think this is the uso now. Yung flat na lahat.
I think dumal lang lang pasta. This one and the lasagna.
Ah.
Okay mo itong lasagna, sir?
In fairness.
Ham pizza for 330 pesos.
Here's the
Ham and
basta ham
egg.
lang.
May egg siya on top.
Basta ham pizza.
Okay.
With something dahon-dahon. Ano what's dahon is this?
Ay, design yan. Hindi yan kinakain, madam.
Baka edible. Bahala na.
Pinunot lang yan sa garden. Ano ba?
I think we need some
Panulak?
Sauce.
Sa
Sauce
sauce?
sila.
How about this sauce?
No, it's for the chicken schnitzel.
A pizza? Ketchup pala. Is it
Lovely.
lovely? Bahay pa.
Day one, hindi naman siya ano, softong.
Oh my God. Oh, the pizza. Okay. It's tasty. Pero siyang walang sauce.
Ano?
Parang chooks to go. Yung pizza. Malasa siya.
Pero I think mas prefer na ko na sauce.
Like ketchup. Okay, so it can stand out without the sauce. It has ham, of course, a cheese, and tomato, I think, tomato sauce, and some egg, and leaf. I don't know how it's called. But I'm pretty sure it's fresh from the garden.
Freshly picked from the garden.
The Garden of Eden.
Kaya na, tabusog ako ha. Ready na.
Dessert.
Charcoal flavored ice cream for 80 pesos.
Charcoal ice cream. I mean, it's made of coconut husk. But I didn't see any coconut husk or taste coconut husk.
Gusto mo naman, ano? Gusto mong
Totohanin. Creamy siya and then sweet. In fairness. Okay, so we are done having our dinner.
Cicada Tapas and Bar is located at San Road, Gordo Avenue, La Havre, Cebu City.